Hello and welcome to this episode. Today's recipe is chocolate custard tart. One recipe with 3 variations. It's an eggless no bake dessert that you can make easily. So, which one will it be for you? Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? For the custard, half a liter of milk. This is at room temperature and I have taken out half a cup from the saucepan. 3 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder. Add in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add in some cold milk. To make a thick paste. Put the saucepan on low heat and add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of custard sugar or superfine sugar. Just keep stirring the milk so that the sugar doesn't burn at the bottom. After about a minute, the sugar would have dissolved. And it's time to add in the chocolate paste. Quickly resume the stirring. Keep cooking this on the low heat and it will be ready as soon as it starts to thicken and comes to just the boil. It has started to coat the whisk. That's about done. Let's check. Yes. Did you see the bubble? It's just come to the boil. So just turn off the heat and let it cool down. Make sure to cover the surface with cling film. Let the film touch the custard and we'll let it cool. I'm using coconut biscuits that I have made into crumbs for the base. You could use digestive biscuit or arrowroot biscuit in its place. Take some of the crumbs in the food processor or a mixie jar. Add in a tablespoon of cocoa powder and just run this. This is what we get. I'll add this into the rest of the crumbs. If you're using a chocolate biscuit, then there's no need for you to add in the cocoa powder. Just quickly mix this up so that it's well incorporated. You'll also need some melted butter. I'll add in about 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix it and see how it goes. You can always add in more later. So that's about 3.5 tablespoons of butter. Once it resembles wet sand, then you know that it's ready. I have these mini tart shells with a loose bottom that I'm going to use. Spread it out to line the base and the sides. Just take your time. Use a spoon to guide the biscuit crumbs onto the sides as well. Press hard. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. That's one done. Get on with the rest. Once they are all done, just put them in the fridge for at least half an hour to chill. The custard has cooled down. Use a whisk to just mix it up. Till it's nice and smooth. I've taken out about a cup of the custard and to this I'll add in some whipped cream. and mix it in, or rather fold it in lightly. To get a mousse. I just got the bases out of the fridge and I'll fill one of the tarts with the custard. Smooth out the top as best as you can using the spoon, and I'll fill the rest of them with the mousse. Smooth out the top and just put them in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. For the first one, I'll just add in a few cherries and with some whipped cream, I'll just pipe some stars. And there you have the first one. I have some ganache in a piping bag and I'll just do a zigzag. I'll just do a simple border for this one. Choco chips. For the third one, I'm doing a ganache net on top. I'll just draw a border with the ganache to make it look neat. That's another one done. I'll keep them in the fridge till it's time for me to serve them. These tarts may be topped with a variety of fruits, nuts, chocolates and candies. You could use edible decoration to make them look pretty.